Okay, dear students, now I am going to explain mode. I take one example in exercise 14.2. First problem. The following table shows the ages of the patients in a hospital during a year. Find the mode of the given data. So age in years like this, number of patients are like this. So what we have to find mode, okay now. So mode, what is the formula of mode? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus G F naught whole by 2 F1 minus F naught minus F2 into H. This is the formula. So first you have to know what is L. So L is equal to the lower boundary of the model class. The lower boundary of the model class. Okay now. And next F1 is equal to, so what is F1? The frequency of model class. The frequency of model class. And next F0 is equal to the frequency of the class, preceding the model class. Preceding the model class. And next F2 is equal, what is F2? The frequency of the class, succeeding the model class. Succeeding the model class. So these are also very important. And next, what is H? The class size. H is equal to the class size. The class size. Suppose there is a chance to ask like this. Write the formula of mode and explain each term. Suppose in your examination, suppose ask like that, you have to write like this. Okay. So mode is equal to formula is like this. So that's why we have to know first model class. So what is the model class? So what is the model class? The maximum the highest frequency is the model class. So now according to these terms, first we have to draw the table like this. Okay students, now I am going to start how to solve more problems. I take first problem in exercise 14.2. The following table shows the ages of the patients in a hospital during a year. Find the mode of the given data. So this is the given problem. We have to find mode. That's why first you have to know the formula of the mode. Okay now. So what is L? L is equal to the lower boundary of model class, and F1 is equal to the frequency of model class. F0 is equal to the frequency of the class preceding the model class. F2 is equal to the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. H is equal to the class size. So this is the formula, and this is the explanation of each term. So you have to by heart all these, because there may be a chance to ask a question in your examination. Write the formula of mode and explain each term. Then it is very useful to answer that question. Okay. Now in each term you have model class, model class, model class, model class. So what is the model class? So the class with the maximum frequency is called the model class. Okay. Now how to solve this problem? Let us see. First you draw the given table vertically. So you take like this. Okay, na? So is in years. So this is class interval, and next number of patients. This is a frequency. Okay. Now you take you write 5 to 15 class interval like this, and next 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. Okay, na? So now write the frequencies 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. So now observe all these frequencies. Which is the highest frequency? 23. Okay, na? So 23 is the highest frequency. That's why the class with the highest frequency or maximum frequency is called model class. That's why here this is the model class. Okay. So now what is the model class? The maximum, a class with maximum frequency is called the model class. So here 23 is the maximum frequency. That's why 35, 45 is the model class. So 35 to 45 is the model class. So from this you have to find that L value, F1 value, F0 value. Okay. Suppose here L, the lowest boundary of model class. So model class is 35 to 45. That's why L is the 35. So here 35, here also 35. That's why boundary is lower boundary is 35. So L is equal to 35. And next F1, the frequency of model class. So this one is the F1, frequency of the model class. So F1 is equal to 23. And next F0, the frequency of the class preceding the model class. So preceding the model class, this one is F0. Okay. And next F2, the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. So succeeding the model class is 14. That's why this one is F2. And next the class size 25 minus 15, 10, 35 minus 25 is equal to 10. So the class size is equal to 10. So F0 is equal to 20, 21. Alage F2 is equal to 14. Okay, the class size is equal to H is equal to 10. Now substitute all these values in the formula. So therefore mod is equal to L. L means 35 plus F1. So F1 means 23 minus F0 21 by 2F1. 2 into F1. F1 means 23 minus F0. F0 means 21 minus F2 14 into H. H means 10. You have to write the formula once again in this place and next you substitute all these values. Then you have a good idea. So that equal to, now do the simplification, 35 plus 23 minus 21 2 by 2 into 23 46 minus 21 minus 14 is 35, okay, into 10. So that equal to 35 plus 2 into 10 20 by 46 minus 35 11. That equal to 35 plus 20 by 11. 20 by 11 is equal to, you will get 1.81. If you do the division, you will get 1.81. That equal to 36.81. That is the required answer. Okay. So in this way we you have completed this problem. Okay. In this way please do more like this. Okay. Thank you.